Public expressed anger and dismay over poor quality of culvert. Construction of Langteng village road and culvert underway. Hello viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. I am Julie Bepi with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. Allegation massive irregularities in construction of public amenities have been reported in news multiple times. But despite that, the authority is neither serious enough to properly supervise the works, nor have the contractors changed their attitude towards the public works. Following this, Hamrun public have come out in huge numbers and expressed their disappointment over the irregularity and poor quality in the construction of a culvert in Hamrun Tepailangsu River. The public have alleged that the Hamrun Municipal Board did not properly supervise the work. Public of Hamrun alleged that the faulty installation of culvert at Tepailangsu River by the PWD along the NEC road inside Hamrun Ambinong, Ward number 5 area, connecting Langmekang, Longpai and Rumpum have led to artificial flooding of local area and submerging several houses and also severely affecting communication system whenever rainfall occurs. Public alleged that the culverts were not placed properly or if possible a bridge should be built instead.
Namun kumti penang le sila tuar ke dam kahino dak lokante. Kelang le por loke.
Kumantu pena so tuar manela son ding hake.
Abdul le no. Apa pentane lipudu no wa dak ke por ke hino. Karvar se kalate belong ko son si bunai nahi ko son sile lipudu apa penta.
Halat ki ong amat la non lomte arbi ki jang kena joydi laga so langbung kena joyni kaci halat ka siksak so lilu
la so roya dolong roya men kupul
tepai kang lem
tepai kang lem
tu dapta la dakari kang do chito rok yo chagara lo banang ra tu dai ke yo thek kang lo ra bang den lo gen ke ha chong ku ban tani bi da pining sok se vai de lo
sok se banek te delati
para bi pin mu ta ku kan chinen ta ba
Due to the poor quality of work, thousands of people who travel through this route every day are facing the consequence of daily suffering and hardship. Thus, locals urge the authority to take immediate steps to set the things right. Daniel Inghi from Hamrun, Karbi Anglong Live. With an aim to boost the development and to promote Karbi traditional songs, dances and culture in his native place, SDO Badan Singh Tiso had pledged to provide assistance to the local Serdihun Club, which is also a unit of the Karbi Cultural Society. In a meeting held in the office of Tekelangjun Serdihun Club or Serdihun Cases unit held on August 12, SDO Badan Singh Tiso promised to extend all help possible from his side. He also said that he will carry out the repairing of the club's office and also provide the club with some necessary instruments and materials from his own capacity. The SDO also said that steps will be taken soon to repaint the market sheds in Tekelangjun town. It may be mentioned that SDO Badan Singh Tiso had shown his keen interest in cultural works by assisting in several cultural activities done in the past. He was also the key person behind the construction of the Nothengpi replica during the ZKYF 2017 held at Rasinja, Aklam. He is also the engineer taking the charge of the concrete Nothengpi replica at KPH Daralangso. Locals of Tekelangjun have expressed their joy on receiving such assurance from the officer. Samsing Ingti from Dongmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. The construction of village road connecting NH39 to Langteng village in Bokajan LA constituency under state-owned priority development scheme for the year 2019 and 2020 is underway. People of the locality are delighted by the step taken by the government. The much-awaited construction of the 2.3 kilometers road has started. After a long wait, expressions of excitement were visible on the faces of the people when they heard that the construction of the road that would lead to their village from NH39 had begun. People have extended their gratitude to local MAC Jagat Singh Ingti and MLA Dr. Numul Momin for paying attention to their issue and implementing the scheme. Earlier on July 8, 2020, the scheme was inaugurated by local MLA Dr. Numul Momin in the presence of site engineer and others at Langteng, where Momin asked contractor to construct the road with utmost dedication and asked him to speed up so that the work would not be delayed. Anantarang from Bokajang, Karbi Anglong Live. 3 years old Nong Ikro, son of Ram Singh Kro and Preeti Teronpe, is suffering from an unknown illness, and his parents are seeking for financial aid for his treatment. The family is living in Rongmarjong in Dilai under Bokajang MSC constituency. Nong A had been sick since his birth. Within the last 3 years, his parents had taken him to Nikos Hospital Dimapur 9 times, and also to several other hospitals as well. But his sickness could not be cured. According to his mother, Nong A is suffering from thyroid, gastritis, kidney and other ailments. Due to his illness, there is no visible signs of proper physical and mental development even after the boy is 3 years old.
Sara CM to ram long hang long kira pa chahan ji ning hang mane osu bang jo ning kan ki thomanta tang su li da lori ke ngchi de e biscuit ta choi thi ejen sul mi se ka chelang ji ning hang la si CM to ram long hang long kira pa chahan ji ning hang la lo tang philap don lo lai si des pen ha long de la ta bahiyar ke long el pa tan ji tum ke long de da cho ha.
The parents have spent all their money and are now left with nothing to afford for further treatment of their child. They had applied for the assistance given by the government to physically challenged persons through the ICDS scheme, but they haven't got any help till date. Thus, they have sought the help of KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang. Vijay Rompi from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Stay safe.